Oh, hey. Well, it's Monday, and I'm sick. Today is my boyfriend's 5-month anniversary, and his grandma gave him a ring to give to me. Okay, I was walking to art today. There was this old man walking with this like push cart thing with books and crap on it, and he's going into the music room, right? And he's like, and I'm all like,
I've been hoping and praying for a single way to show you
so scary, so scary. Just so you know, if I'm not here next Monday, it's because I died of a runny nose. I like drowned in my snot. That's how bad it is. So if you have a cure, please tell me. Because I think that once you're over the age of 5, you should not get runny noses anymore. But do you see this redness? It is still there, and I am 14. Tell something you would want your grandkids to know.
1, 2, 3.
And if I could swim, I'd swim out to you in the ocean. Swim out to where you were floating in the dark. And if I was blessed,
you gotta help me out. It's all a blur last night.